I'm Jesse DiZio, and I'm a Senior Product Manager here at Autodesk. I'm here to talk about Autodesk Forge and the data visualization in the viewer. But before we dive in, let me give you a background of who I am. I'm originally from Venezuela, and this is where this accent is coming from. And there is where I got my bachelor's degree in computer science. So I'm an engineer by training, but I'm a PM by practice. However, I'm an entrepreneur by heart, and this is because I started my own company solving product problems in small and medium businesses. I realized that continuous studies is the way to grow, both personally and professionally. So never stop learning. Something that I'm very passionate about is sustainability. And this is one of the many reasons why I joined Autodesk. Autodesk believes in providing a future sustainable for next generations to come. And also, they put customer first. And I'm a user advocate myself. This is part of my job and my mantra. Autodesk's mission is to empower innovators with design and make technology so that they can achieve the new possible. And Autodesk Forge is a cloud-based platform that sparks innovators in the design and make industry by providing services and APIs. Some of the APIs more common are around BIM 360, design automation, the viewer, which by far is the most used API, and so others. Some of the use cases are around XR and VR applications, SaaS integration, configurators, and digital twin. And digital twin are meant to bridge the physical and the digital. And this is an aggregator of models and assets into one place so that facility managers can see the performance of their assets over time without having to be physically in there. Now, you can imagine that building a digital twin, even though it's very powerful, is very hard to build. So that's when me and my team decided to come in and democratize this space, make it easier and simpler for developers to build such. And we came up with an IoT toolkit that we're calling data visualization. And this toolkit is a set of components on top of the Forge viewer that allows the developer to customize by using JavaScript. And here's how it works. On one hand, we have business data. And this business data is coming from sensors. This could be temperature, CO2, and oxygen, and so forth. And this is coming from a time series database. It could be Microsoft Azure, AWS, or your own. On the other hand, we have the design data. We have the models coming from BIM, Revit, or any other. And combining these two together, you can build your own flavor of digital twin. Some of the features that I want to highlight of this IoT toolkit is that we provide a reference architecture in React so that developers can quickly start it right away. All of these extensions are on top of the viewer, so you can expand thanks to the functionalities, flexibility, and power of the viewer itself. And we crafted robust documentation and samples for more advanced functionality. But enough talking, let's see it in action. What you see here is the reference architecture that I was referring before. We have a Revit building on top of the Forge viewer, where it represents the in-canvas, and we have a set of React components that represent the out-of-canvas. In the model, we have these dots that are sensors pulling data from a time series database, and in this case, CO2, humidity, and temperature. By clicking on that, the in-canvas plays with the out-canvas very nicely. And the timeline here on the top queries the data based on the time period that you select. And this shows also the performance of temperature, in this case, of the building over that time frame. To wrap up, I want to leave you with what it looks like my progress line in my career. And this is to say that in many cases, I was the only woman or Latino in a room. And it might feel scary at first, I'm not going to lie. However, we have to be proud of what we represent. We bring diverse perspective, mindset, and creativity. And this is where innovation sparks. We're forging the path of our next generations. And you, ladies, are also part of this. Thank you.